Dear students, in the last session, I had explained the nodal analysis method, but in this session, I had explained the star and delta conversions. The star delta conversions and delta star conversions allow us to convert impedances connected together in the three-phase configuration from one type of connection to another. Now, we can solve simple networks by using Kirchhoff laws, mesh analysis method or nodal analysis method. But in the balanced three-phase circuit, we can use the different mathematical techniques to simplify the analysis of the circuit and thereby reduce the amount of maths involved, which in itself is a good thing. Standard three-phase circuits, networks, take on two major forms with names that represents the way in which the resistors are connected. Next, a star connected network which has the symbol of the letter Y. A delta network which has the symbol of a triangle delta. In a three-phase network connected in one type of configuration, it can be easily changed into an equivalent configuration of the other type by using either the star delta conversions or delta to star conversion process. It is possible to change the Y into an equivalent delta circuit and also to convert a delta into an equivalent Y network using a conversion process. These networks conversions allow us to change the three connected resistances or impedances by their equivalent measured between the terminals 1 to 2, 1 to 3 or 2 to 3 for either a star or delta connected network. To convert delta network to an equivalent star network, that the resistance connected to one terminal is the product of the two delta resistances connected to the same terminal. For example, P, the resistor P is the product of the resistor A and B connected to terminal 1 divided by the total resistance A plus B plus C. Therefore, P equals AB divided by A plus B plus C. Similarly, for Q is the product of the resistors A and C and connected to the terminal 2 divided by the total resistances A plus B plus C. Therefore, Q equals AC divided by A plus B plus C. Similarly, for R is the product of B and C resistor connected to the terminal 3 divided by the total resistance A plus B plus C. Therefore, R equals BC divided by A plus B plus C. Problem on delta to star conversion. Convert the following delta resistor network into an equivalent star network. This is the given network. To convert delta to star conversion, the equation Q equals AC divided by A plus B plus C. That's equals, the A equals 20, C equals 80 divided by A plus B plus C. The total resistance A plus B plus C equals 130. That's equals 12.3 ohm. Similarly, the equation P equals, the equation delta to star conversion, P equals A plus AB divided by A plus B plus C, 20 into 30, B equals to 30 divided by total resistance 130. Therefore, P equals 4.6 ohm. Similarly, R equals BC divided by A plus B plus C. That's equals B 30 into C 80 divided by 130. That's equals 18.46 ohm. This is the converted star network. Star to delta conversion. The value of the resistors on any one side of the delta network is the sum of all the two product combinations of resistors in the star network divided by the star resistor located directly opposite the delta resistance being found. For example, with respect to terminal 3, the resistor B is given by, for example, resistor A is given by A equals PQ plus QR plus RP divided by R. The same thing with respect to terminal 3 and resistor B is given by B equals PQ plus QR plus RP divided by Q. With respect to terminal 2 and resistor C is given by as C equals PQ plus QR plus RP divided by P. With respect to terminal 1, by dividing out each equations by the value of the denominator, we end up with 3 separate transformation formulas that can be used to convert any delta resistive network into an equivalent star network. Problem 1, star to delta conversions. Convert the following star resistive network into an equivalent delta network. This is the given network. We know the star to delta conversion equation A equals QP divided by R plus Q plus P, that's equals Q equals 180, Q equals 180, P equals 150 divided by R equals 60, 180 into 50, 150 divided by 60, 180, Q equals to 180 plus P equals 150. Therefore, that's equals 780 ohm. The same thing, B equals RP divided by Q plus R plus P, that's equals 60 into 150 divided by 180 plus 60 plus 150, that's equals to 260 ohm. The same thing similarly, C equals to QR divided by P plus Q plus R, that's equals 180 into 60 divided by 150 plus 180 plus 160. Therefore, that's equals 312 ohm. Both star and delta conversions and delta star conversion allow us to convert one type of circuit connection into another type in order for us to easily analyze the circuit. This conversion techniques can be used to good effect, for the either star or delta networks containing resistances or impedances. Thank you.